All students, how are you all? I hope you'll be happy at home and safe. I know that you have been watching a lot of videos on different types of subjects. You have been watching the videos for studies, but now all the teachers are very much concerned about your entertainment too. So we are going to make some videos for your fun, for your entertainment. So today I am going to tell you an amazing story that will be really very helpful to you to understand the importance of teacher and what is the relationship between a teacher and a student. Many a time it happens that your teacher gives you a lot of homework and you feel that how much homework is given to us that we cannot finish this homework, but it is just for your benefits. So today I am going to tell you a story that will be really helpful to you to understand that why should we do a lot of homework, what is the importance of homework, and what is the importance of a teacher in your life too. As every story has some characters, as every story has some heroes, so we also have a story which has two characters, or we can say two heroes. The first one is a teacher and another one is a student. So without wasting time, now let us begin the story. So let's begin the story. Once upon a time there was a small village named Sajjanpur. There was a boy whose name was Raju. This boy was very sincere and hardworking, like you all. Unfortunately, this boy had only single hand, but he was very hardworking. Once, he was going back to his home from the school, and some children teased him. He was very much annoyed, but he did not have any way to get rid from this. Once Raju was roaming in his village. He came to know about a newly opened wrestling school in his village. As soon as he saw the wrestling school, he tried to enter into the school and met the coach of the school. Raju requested to coach to teach him wrestling. The master looked at him and said, "You are not fit for wrestling." Raju came back home, but he decided to learn wrestling. On the next day, Raju again went to the wrestling school and requested to his coach to teach him the wrestling. The coach got convinced to teach him wrestling. He said to Raju, "Come early in the morning tomorrow." Raju was extremely happy. He dreamed for learning wrestling on the next day. On the next day, Raju got up early and got ready. He went to the wrestling school. He greeted the coach and the coach taught only one step or one trick to Raju and told him to practice at home. Raju practiced at home. On the next day, Raju was excited to learn next trick, but the coach told to practice the same step at home which he taught him previously. 6 months passed. Raju practiced only single step continuously. Now he got bored and he did not want to leave learning the other steps. After a few days, a wrestling competition was arranged. The coach told Raju to take part in the wrestling competition. Raju was very confused because he knew only one step, but he was very sincere to so he followed instructions of his master and registered his name for wrestling competition. When the competition began, many people, no, you can see many people laughed at him. But slowly and gradually, Raju won all the rounds and won the competition. And after winning the competition, he was more confused than happy. He rushed to the master and said, I won the competition. The master said, I was very confident for your victory, my child. Then Raju gathered courage and asked a question to his master. He asked, I had only single hand and you taught me only one step. So how I could win the match and how you were so much sure for my victory? Master laughed and answered, it's true that I taught you single step, but this step is most important for you. By this step, when you knock down someone, your competitor needs another hand to get up. But when he finds and tries to catch another hand, he fails and finally you win all the matches. The first thing I converted all your weaknesses into your strength. And the second, you practiced only this step more than 6 months. That is why you could win the match. Hope that you liked the story and you could notice that what is the importance of a teacher and what is the importance of practice in our life. Many times, many students feel that we have been given a lot of homework. We cannot do that. But this homework is just for your benefit. This is just for your betterment. And you know that practice makes a man perfect. If you want to get perfection in your life, you need to practice. You need to work hard. So you could see in the story, and you could also see that the teacher has a power. A teacher has a power to convert all the weaknesses of a student into the power, into the strength. They can give you a lot of strength. But for that, you also have to do a little bit hard work. You also need to do practice, because practice helps you to get success. It helps you to get perfection in all your works. I hope you like the story. Okay.